No, 1, 2 is isothermal. Then 3, 4 isothermal. Alternate this one. Then isothermal compression. Then these are adiabatic. Alternate isothermal and adiabatics are there. No. Like first we'll go for V1, V2 by V1 should be equal to V4 by V3. Let that be equal to say some alpha. Constant is telling, we don't know what is that. Let it be some value. Now in the isothermal process, QG1, the symbol already given, let me use that one. Or this is equal to Q12. Heat gain in isothermal expansion 1 to 2. That should be equal to QG1 equal to number of moles N R T1 log of V2 by V1. Then heat gain in the path 3, 4 or QG2. This should be equal to nRT2 log of V4 by V3. Heat rejected 5, 6. QR is equal to nRT3 log of V6 by V5. I think till here is what we have. In adiabatic, and no heat exchange for the path 2, 3, for the path 4, 5, for the path 6, 1. Any reason? Adiabatic process, no? All these are isothermal expansion. These are isothermal compression. Now find out efficiency. For efficiency, what shall we do? Shall we go for net work done by Q positive? Again, going back, getting the work done is a big headache. Lot of calculations you are going to encounter, because again you should calculate the work done in the path 2, 3, all that one. So instead, we know where all heat is rejected, where is heat absorbed, because no heat exchange in the path 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 1. So it is absorbed only in the path 1, 2 and 3, 4, and it is rejected. So we'll stick on to that formula. We can save plenty of time. So heat gained Q positive. I'll do one thing. Q positive will calculate. Q positive should be equal to QG1 plus QG2. So NR T1 log of nRT2 QR it is. That should be equal to nRT3 log of V6 by V5. We have to know what are the given things. Answer should be in terms of T1, T2, T3 only. But we don't know V2 by V1, V4 by V3. Okay, fine. We have to search some other ideas here now. Relation between the ratio of these volumes. So I'll take help of path 2, 3. For the path 2, 3, can we write something? T1 V2 gamma minus 1 should be equal to T2 V3 gamma minus 1. Symbols little bit confusion. I have to what is the temperature of gas at 3 and 4 should be same. So here T2 V3 gamma minus 1 is equal to here T1 V1 V2. Volume of gas is V2, temperature is T1, because T1 equal T2, no? Better we'll write it, no confusion. Then similarly for T4, 5, path 4 5, it will be T2 V4 gamma minus 1 equal to T3 V5 gamma minus 1. Path 6 1, gamma minus 1 equal to T1 V1 gamma minus 1. Some relationship between the temperature volumes are needed. How to bring that relationship, that one? Okay, I'll do one thing. T1 by T2 T1 by T2 into T2 by T3 should be equal to T1 by T3. Can we write T1 by T2 from the path 2 3? T1 by T2 V3 by V2 gamma minus 1. T2 by T3 V5 by V4 gamma minus 1. T1 by T3. Now I think we are in better position now. This equation is primary equation which is going to help us. Let me go for efficiency. Efficiency is equal to, I need some place. We have to write all the equation. No? Efficiency is equal to Q positive 1 minus Q negative will be NR T3 log of V6 by V5 all divided by Q positive. Q positive will be NR T1 T1 equal to T2 so this will be T3 log of V6 by V5 by T1 log of V2 by V1 T2 log of V2 by V1 is alpha, V4 by V alpha. What about V6 by V5? Anything can we write? I think we need that V6 by V5 is needed for us. I'll take help of this equation. Answer T1 plus T2 minus T3. Check once. Shrestha, check once. Numerator. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll go for No. Yeah, everyone check answer once. I think V6 by V5 will be K square will come. Check it. Alpha square will come. 2T3. Yeah, fine. Okay, that'll be okay. One by alpha square. Huh? One by alpha square. This now we can replace there. One by alpha square by T1 log of V2 by V1 is alpha. V4 by V5 is alpha. Then this will become T1 plus T2 minus 2T3 by T1 plus T2. Really, I think less physics, more calculations. You should be very logically. How you bring the answer is something. It all depends upon your algebra. Because the idea of physics is very less here. Such things are very popular in advanced exam.
Sir, plus 2 to 3 will come now, sir.
Plus 2 to 3. Mod, no, it is mod, no. Oh, I forgot. Wait. Okay, no. What do you say, no? Mod, no, it is.
Okay.
Be careful. Can be asked. How good your algebra finally matters a lot.